So today we have a vehicle that we're all very excited about at the dealership. Happy to have it back. This was one of our owner's demo vehicles. This is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This is the JL, the new body style. And this has a Mopar factory lift. 2-inch lift. Again, this is a factory lift, so it maintains the original new vehicle warranty. This is the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. This was installed at the dealership, so factory trained professionals. If this is not the Jeep for you for any reason, we do lift Jeeps at our dealership all the time. You can come in, have a consultation, see exactly what you want. Whether it's a Jeep you already own or if you would like to purchase one on our lot, new or pre-owned. So as I mentioned, one of our owners was driving this vehicle before. Does have 4,400 miles on it, still a new car. Still being sold as a new car with the new car warranty. And again, this is the JL, this is the new body style. Automatic transmission. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Backup camera. Another way to access the heated seats and heated steering wheel there. Again, 4,416 miles. This vehicle is still being sold as a new vehicle. And again, with all the warranty in place, using the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. This is stock number 18434S. You can come see it at 617 Maple Ave in Saratoga Springs. Thanks for watching.